Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed Anti-Hair Fall range. And this anti-hair fall hair care range includes a hair mask, shampoo and a conditioner. So if you want to know my complete reviews about the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed hair care range, then please continue watching this video. I have been trying out these products since the last 15 days and I have been very impressed with these products. So I thought of sharing my review about these three hair care products. So in case you want to know everything about these products and if you're interested in knowing which product I like the most in this anti-hair fall hair care range by Just Herbs, then please continue watching this video. If you're someone who is suffering from hair fall and you want a good hair care regime for your hair, and if you're looking for an anti-hair fall hair care range, then I think these products are definitely going to work for you. These products have definitely helped me in controlling my hair fall, and so far I'm very much impressed with this hair care range. If you're looking for a perfect solution for your hair fall, then I think I've got the best products for you. So let's talk about all of these three products in detail now. The first product that I'm going to talk about in this anti-hair fall hair care range is the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed hair mask, and this mask is supposed to be applied onto your hair before rinsing your hair with shampoo, and this mask can be left on your hair for minimum of 20 minutes. You can obviously leave this hair mask on your hair for longer duration than 20 minutes, but I would suggest you to keep this hair mask on your hair for at least 20 minutes. What I like to do is that I section my hair in small parts and then I apply this hair mask onto my scalp and all over my hair from roots to the tips. What I specifically like about this hair mask is that it can be applied onto your roots also, and the castor present inside this hair mask, it definitely promotes the hair growth, and the black onion seed, it helps in improving the scalp health and it also nourishes your hair roots. You are supposed to apply this hair mask on your hair for minimum of 20 minutes, and after that you have to rinse your hair with the castor and black onion seed shampoo from the same hair care range. The Just Herbs onion hair mask is formulated with nourishing ingredients like castor oil, which is also revered in Ayurveda as cassia, that is very good for your hair health. And the hair mask also contains black onion seed or kalonji, and it definitely helps in promoting hair growth. It also helps in adding luster and shine to your hair. I really love this hair mask because it is a deep conditioning hair mask that promotes healthy hair growth, and it also helps in controlling the hair fall. This hair mask definitely nourishes your hair and your scalp. This hair mask is helpful in combating the frizziness and dryness of your hair, and this hair mask definitely helps in improving the texture of your hair. It is very helpful in combating with frizziness and dryness of your hair. This hair mask is free from silicones and parabens, and it also helps in balancing the scalp's pH level. The Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed hair mask is one of my favorite products amongst the three products that I have used, and I especially recommend this hair mask to all of you, especially if you're looking for a good nourishing hair mask that can promote healthy hair growth and something which can help you in your hair fall. Then I think you should definitely try out this hair mask. This hair mask makes your hair feel very soft, smooth and frizz-free, and it makes your hair quite manageable, and you're definitely going to love this hair mask as it is a very deep nourishing hair mask for all hair types. It suited my curly, dry, frizzy hair very well, and I definitely recommend this hair mask to all of you. Now let's talk about this second product from this anti-hair fall hair care range, and the next product is called the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed shampoo. Now this shampoo is supposed to be applied on wet hair. You have to gently lather this shampoo and you have to cleanse your entire scalp and hair, and this is a very mild shampoo. It does not strip your hair of its natural oils. I love applying this shampoo onto my hair because it is very mild and gentle and it is free of harsh chemicals. The Just Herbs Onion Shampoo for hair fall contains nourishing ingredients like castor, black onion seed, bhringraj, amla. So you're definitely getting the benefits of all the good ingredients present inside this shampoo. This shampoo foams very mildly, but it is effective in cleansing your entire root and scalp, and it cleanses your hair thoroughly. You get rid of all the dirt, dust, oil from your hair, and this is an excellent shampoo if you're looking for a good Ayurvedic shampoo, something which works as an anti-hair fall, and it is also helpful in treating your dandruff. And this is a sulfate-free product, so you are keeping your hair away from the harsh chemicals. That's what I love the most about this shampoo. This shampoo also helps in improving the overall hair health, and it is suitable for all men and women who want to delay the premature graying of your hair. This shampoo definitely helps in reducing the frizziness and dryness of your hair, and it overall nourishes your hair thoroughly. And this shampoo definitely helps in improving the texture of your hair. I especially love this shampoo because of its mild foaming nature, and it is a sulfate free product, so that's a win-win for me. I love products which are sulfate free and which cleanse my hair thoroughly and which do not make my hair feel dry after washing my hair. And this is a perfect mild gentle shampoo that is going to give you the desired effects, and it is not going to make your hair feel dry or frizzy. In fact, it is going to make your hair feel very soft, smooth and manageable. I definitely recommend this shampoo to all of you, especially if you're looking for a shampoo that is going to give you anti-hair fall benefits. This shampoo is suitable for all hair types including curly hair, and it is also suitable for color treated hair. And this shampoo is also a natural source of vitamin E and omega fatty acids that are very beneficial for your hair. I would definitely recommend you to try out this shampoo, as it is a very gentle shampoo for your hair and it is going to suit your hair very well, and it is definitely going to help you in reducing your hair fall problems. The castor and black onion seed present inside this shampoo, they definitely help in reducing the hair fall. And the last product that I'm going to talk about in this anti-hair fall hair care range is the conditioner. It is called the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed Conditioner. After you have cleansed your hair with the Just Herbs Onion Shampoo, then you have to apply this Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed Hair Conditioner to your hair. And I would definitely like to mention that this is a very nourishing hair conditioner. You just have to apply this conditioner on your wet hair. I like to apply this conditioner from the mid lengths of my hair to the ends of my hair, and I allow this conditioner to rest on my hair for minimum 2 to 3 minutes, after which I rinse it out with plain cold water. And this is a very good hydrating and nourishing conditioner for my curly, dry and frizzy hair. I really love this conditioner because it provides my hair with the nourishment that my hair needs, and this conditioner also helps me in improving the softness of my hair. This conditioner is suitable for curly hair and it is definitely going to work for color treated hair. The nourishing ingredients in this conditioner are packed with vitamin E and omega fatty acids that soften and smoothen the hair tips and strands while effectively reducing the frizziness and dryness of your hair. This conditioner also helps in reducing the hair damage. Overall, I really like this conditioner because of its intensely moisturizing abilities, and this conditioner makes my hair feel very soft, smooth and manageable. I love the fact that this is a very nourishing conditioner, and if you apply this conditioner and leave it on for 4 or 5 minutes, then this is going to intensely moisturize your hair and you're definitely going to love using this conditioner. Overall, I'm in love with all these 3 products from the brand Just Herbs. I think the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed is the perfect solution for your hair fall issues, and it is definitely going to help you in taming the frizz. If you're someone like me who is looking for the perfect solution for the hair fall problems, then I think this is the hair care range to go for. And the castor and the black onion seed present inside this hair care range, they definitely help in promoting hair growth and reduce the hair fall. So I think these are a must-have products in my opinion, and I would definitely recommend you to try out these products from this range. And especially I will recommend you to go ahead with the Just Herbs Castor and Black Onion Seed Hair Mask. It is one of my most favorite products from this range, and I highly recommend the hair mask from this range. Overall, if you want to reap the benefits of castor and black onion seed from this range, then you should definitely try out the shampoo and conditioner as well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.